What if everything you see, feel and believe isn't real at all? What if the world you think you know is just a construct, a fragile tapestry woven by your mind to make sense of the chaos around you? What if, the solid ground beneath your feet is an illusion, a fleeting mirage that vanishes the moment you try to grasp it? The vibrant colors you perceive, could they be merely phantoms of a deeper hidden reality? A reality that exists beyond the reach of your senses, waiting to be uncovered? It's a question that has, haunted philosophers and scientists for millennia, sparking debates, theories, and countless explorations into the nature of existence. A question that tugs at the very fabric of our existence, unraveling the threads of what we hold to be true. Our senses, the tools with which we navigate the world, can be easily deceived. They are in many ways both our greatest strength and our greatest vulnerability. A magician's sleight of hand, an optical illusion, or even a simple trick of light can make us question what we see and believe. Or perhaps a vivid dream that feels so real it lingers even after waking, blurring the line between reality and imagination. If our senses can be tricked, how can we be sure of anything we experience? How do we separate truth from illusion, reality from deception? This leads us down a rabbit hole of profound inquiry, a journey into the unknown where every answer seems to raise more questions. Is there a true reality independent of our observations, existing in its pure form beyond our reach? Or is reality subjective, shaped by our individual perceptions, molded by the unique lens through which we view the world? The answer, as we shall see, lies at the heart of some of the most fascinating ideas in science and philosophy. It's a journey that challenges us to rethink everything we know, and perhaps everything we are. Centuries ago, the Greek philosopher Plato grappled with this very question. What is the nature of reality and how do we perceive it? His ideas have echoed through the ages, challenging us to think beyond the surface of what we see. He presented a powerful allegory, the allegory of the cave, to illustrate the limitations of human perception and the journey toward understanding. Imagine prisoners chained inside a cave, their entire lives spent facing a blank wall, unable to turn their heads or see anything else. Behind them, a fire flickers, casting shadows on the wall from objects passing by. These shadows are the only reality the prisoners have ever known. To the prisoners, the shadows represent reality, a distorted and incomplete version of the truth. They have never known anything else, their understanding of the world shaped entirely by these fleeting, shadowy images. But what if one prisoner escapes the cave and ventures into the sunlight? What would he discover beyond the confines of the cave's darkness? At first he would be blinded by the light, his eyes unaccustomed to the brightness. The world outside would seem overwhelming, even incomprehensible. Gradually his vision would adjust and he would see the true forms of the objects that cast the shadows. These objects, vibrant and intricate, would reveal a reality far richer than he ever imagined. Plato's allegory is, a potent metaphor for the human condition. It challenges us to question the nature of our perceptions and the truths we hold dear. We, like the prisoners, are bound by our limited senses, mistaking shadows for the true nature of reality. But what if there is more to see, more to understand? The allegory invites us to step beyond the shadows and seek the light of knowledge. But what is the true nature of reality? The answer perhaps lies in the realm of science, where the mysteries of the universe continue to unfold before us. A particularly mind-bending idea that has gained traction in recent years is the simulation hypothesis. This concept challenges our understanding of reality itself, suggesting that what we perceive as the physical world might be nothing more than an elaborate illusion. This theory proposes that our reality is not real but rather a highly sophisticated computer simulation, perhaps created by a more advanced intelligence. Imagine a civilization so advanced that it could simulate entire universes, complete with conscious beings like us. Think of it like a vastly more complex version of a video game, where we are all characters living out our programmed lives. Every choice we make, every interaction, could be pre-coded into this grand simulation. While it may sound like science fiction, some physicists have suggested that there may be ways to test this hypothesis. They propose that the universe might exhibit telltale signs of its artificial nature. For instance, if the universe is a simulation, there might be subtle glitches or limitations in the fabric of reality that we could detect. These could manifest as anomalies in physical laws or unexpected patterns in cosmic data. It's a dizzying thought, to be sure. The idea that everything we know, our lives, our history, our universe, could be part of a programmed construct is both fascinating and unsettling. Are we simply lines of code in a cosmic computer program? Or is there something more profound at play, something beyond our current comprehension? While the jury is still out, the very possibility forces us to confront the nature of our existence in a whole new light. It challenges us to rethink what it means to be real, and to question the boundaries of human understanding. Delving deeper into the realm of science, we encounter quantum mechanics, a branch of physics that governs the subatomic world. Quantum mechanics paints a picture of reality that is profoundly different from our everyday experience. Here, particles can exist in multiple states at once, only collapsing into a definite state when observed. Imagine a coin spinning in the air. While it's spinning, it's neither heads nor tails, but a blurry combination of both. This is the essence of quantum superposition. It's only when the coin lands and we observe it, that it chooses to be either heads or tails. This strange behavior, known as the observer effect, suggests that the act of observation plays a fundamental role in shaping reality. In the quantum world, reality is not a passive observer, but an active participant in the unfolding of events. This brings us back to the question we posed earlier. Can we trust our senses? The answer, it seems, is not a simple one. Our senses provide us with a limited and filtered view of reality. Moreover, the very act of observing the world may influence the reality we are trying to observe. It's a paradox, to be sure. The more we learn about the universe, the more we realize how little we truly understand. But that, perhaps, is the beauty of it all. The pursuit of knowledge is an endless journey, and the mysteries of the universe are ours to explore. So is reality just an illusion? Perhaps. Or perhaps it's something far stranger and more wonderful than we can currently comprehend. As we stand at the precipice of the unknown, gazing out at the vast cosmic ocean, we are left with more questions than answers. But one thing is certain: the universe is full of wonder, mystery, and endless possibilities. The nature of reality is a question that has captivated thinkers for millennia, and it is a question that will continue to challenge and inspire us for generations to come. So keep asking questions, keep exploring, and never stop marveling at the extraordinary universe we inhabit. The truth, whatever it may be, is out there, waiting to be discovered.